Oh my gosh. Smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, no.
Hello?
Weren't you just a little cutie? Well, what are you doing with that?
Oh my gosh.
To start off the project, I'll be using 3 funnels, all of different sizes. Now I'm just trimming off the tabs on each funnel. Now I'm cutting off the ends on each funnel. That way I can place them on top of each other. Now I'm using a high temp hot glue gun to adhere them. Make sure it is a high temp one and not a low temp one to make sure it actually sticks together. I'm making sure it's perfectly aligned with those little line seams on the sides. Now I'm hot gluing it onto the black one. Now I'm using some dark blue paint to paint the funnels. I applied about 3 layers to the white, and for the black funnel I actually did a layer of white and then painted it with blue. That way it would show up better. This project is perfect for the new merch I released, link in the description. Now with that same color blue, I'm painting the body of a spray bottle. Now I'm painting the upper part of the bottle with some silver paint. Now I'm taking a silver paint pen and painting the trims of the funnels. I disassembled like 3 spray bottles, but you're going to take the straws of the other 2 spray bottles and connect them to the fully intact one. Now I'm hot gluing the spray bottle's nozzle onto the inside of the funnel. I ended up adding a lot more hot glue and securing it with duct tape. Now I'm adding super glue to the trigger and tying a string around it. Make sure the string goes through the funnel. And adding some hot glue to it to make sure it sticks. Now hot glue the spray bottle's body onto the funnel. I'll be using the nozzle from the other spray bottle as the trigger. I cut a hole in the back of the bottle where I can put the string through and the trigger. Now I'm securing it with hot glue. Take the string and tie it to the very end of the trigger very tight. I rolled up some cardboard and put it in the bottom of the nozzle that's going to act as the handle. I found this plastic mystery toy container that I'm going to use for the back of the blaster. I cut out a little notch and now I'm going to paint it with some silver paint. Now puncture a hole in the top so that way the straw can go through. I found this plastic bottle in the baking section and it's perfect to put the liquid in. I'm just cutting off the tip of it. Now I'm hot gluing the lid onto the cap I made. Now I'm connecting the 3rd straw to the other one. I used super glue and duct tape to hold it together. Now slide that cap through all the way down and put it together with hot glue. I'm painting the bottle black to fit with the aesthetic of the blaster. I lost the footage, but I cut off the curved part of plastic straws, and this will hold up the little container on top. Now I'm putting some hot glue down, and I'm going to put this glass jar on top. Now I'm just adding some random decorations. This was from one of the spray bottles. I'm just adding it as like a little knob. I've saved the bottom of the funnel, and that's going to be for the handle. I traced the top funnel onto a piece of cardboard, and now I'm just cutting that out. I painted it silver, and now I'm puncturing a hole. I marked where the hole of the sprayer would be, that way I know where my starting point would be. Now I'm marking down where I want the other holes to be. Now I'm taking a pencil and puncturing them through, that way all the holes are even. Now hot glue the trim of the funnel and also where the nozzle is, but don't hot glue over the hole. It's farting time! Now unscrew the bottle from the back, and you're going to want to pour the fart liquid into the bottle.
Okay, I brought it outside because I don't want fecal fumes all over my house because this thing is supposed to stink real bad. So I'm going to try to smell it before I put it in the fart blaster.
Here, show them all. Oh. What's that saying?
Oh my gosh. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. I can't. Okay, so to do it, upside down, screw it in. I want to make sure it's tight so no poop particles spill out. Alright, ready? There it is. Oh, it's awful. I'm done. That's too.
And there it is, a fully functional fart gun. This was absolutely a disgusting project, but it was super fun to make, and it actually works. If you do make this, please be sure to not spray it at anyone and keep away from your eyes and mouth. It is harmful. If you guys get this video to 10,000 likes, I will spray myself full body with this fart gun, which would suck.